Today, we're going to go through a workflow audit. I've completed this workflow audit for a software development company. They have a team of developers and they wanted me to review it to see what can be improved. So I've made a anonymized version of their workspace and just kept the themes of what I've seen in a few of these audits. So anything that I see across the teams that keeps coming up. One of them is we have different spaces for different departments, which is good, especially if the workflow is different, and a layer permissions onto it.